These are the colors that we're gonna be using today for the Dutch pour, and it is Liquitex Basic Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue, Liquitex Basic Quinacridone Magenta, Artist Loft Brilliant Blue, and Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. Hopefully I have enough. Okay, and the base coat is gonna be done with a mixture that I did with the white plus Liquitex Basic Brilliant Blue. It's gonna be light purple, purplish color. Okay, so as you can see, I put in the middle the white. Now I'm gonna cover this canvas like this, because that way it only has a small layer of paint at the top, and it has lots of bubbles, but after I put the colors I can torch it. Okay, let's bring that that white to the middle. See that it is in the middle. Okay, so now that it has been flooded, I'm gonna remove these gloves. I'm gonna stop it from dripping. Now I want to do a V. Let's see. I'm thinking, because I'm going to blow this way, this way, this way, this way. So let's put it here. And repeat the pink. To the other side. Okay, so I want to go that way and that way. See. Let's see. I wanted to have it like that, but let's see. I don't like what happened in here. I like that since I put the torch, the white in there, I got selling in there and not on the others. Let me torch a tiny bit. Okay, I want to fix this. I'm gonna move it. I wanted it to be like that, but I want to move it down and then fix some of these petals. So let's pause it and start. Okay, so I'm going to move it down a tiny bit. Not moving. Okay, let's stop it from dripping, and we're gonna work on this. Okay, I blow some with the straw in there because didn't want to do it with my head underneath the camera. And I think I'm going to completely eliminate that from there. Let's see. This is the direction that I wanted this one to have, and I wanted it to be also like a flower with the centers and the petals going like that. So that was my vision, and I kept working on this one to make it like that. I'm not sure that was good, but it was my vision and I like it, and I think it makes a beautiful composition. I think I saved some of the background paint, and I will fix some of these areas, but I wanted it white in here and very pale purplish lavender color in there. So that was my vision. I hope you like it. Please come back for other videos.